So we're now in Mudspring. So
That's next. A picture. Smile. Wait.
Army,
Wait.
look here.
Station 7. This is station 8. And this is station 9. But what station is
Who's complaining?
about the rock?
We are almost halfway on the mud trail of Mudspring. The muddy trail of Mudspring. Hey, what's the fun of it kung you're not going to?
It's so hard. Why do they make difficult?
Nadudulas ako eh. Umiiwas kasi ako sa maputik.
It's round rocks. It's not, Army. It's not flat rocks. It's round rocks.
You wait, mommy first.
I'm watching this one. Yes, we're like
Nadulas.
Now let me go first.
Ha?
Careful, mommy's
Sorry.
Sorry. There's concrete. And there's rocks. But how do rocks get here? Rocks?
Let me go first.
Oli ka na, Army! Takot na takot si Army kasi nadulas sila.
Only Army, not me. Ouch! It's not adventurous if it's not like this.
Oops!
This is my new experience.
Yeah, that's why I want you to come here. I want us to come here. You wait.
Youngest child. That's I'm not happy with what I saw with the
Sige na, Army. Kaya mo yan.
So this is marker here, and that's Mudspring. So it's quite wide now. First time I got here, I was able to come to this place. The size of the spring is still quite smaller than this. See the sulfuric mist? See the mud boiling?
Bakit may usok?
Hey, that's heat. It's coming from...
But it will boil hot.
Mount Makiling is a dormant volcano. The sulfuric stench, I can smell it.
Him there.
She did not like the smell of Mudspring.
Look, I'm sensitive. No. Not going out. Out. Down there.
Dahan-dahan, Army, baka mahulog si Daddy dito.
I know that. Hiking up this and
You step here, there, and there.
That's right or right? Right.
Akin na, come, Army. Dito. Dito, my hand. Eto!
Hold on to mommy's hand.
Hindi, akin na. Akin na! Ano ba?
Hey, you let mommy hold
Oh.
you. Step here.
Yan, kaya ka ni Mami.
Go back hiking here.
Here.
Hey, stop it. Dad, be careful where you step it. This will be dangerous.
Oh, honeycomb. May honeycomb.
Someone harvested the honey.
This is harder than going up.
Sino? Si Army muna o ako muna?
Harvest first.
Army first.
For me first.
I'll just carry you. Wait. You wait.
What volcanic ash?
But volcanic ash.
Volcanic ash? Be careful not to touch the water. That's where the volcano.
Ay, ano
You
ba?
might fall.
Biglang.
Ay, akin na yan. Akin na yung ano. Ayan.
It's hard for that.
Huwag kang ano. Don't make it hard for Daddy.
You walk there. There. Go there.
Wala, ano na tayo eh. Oh, andito na.
You walk there. Go down.
Tayo pa dito kaya ako. Oo, dahan-dahan. Oops. Ay, oh my. Natalsikan.
No, Dad. That's where the volcano.
Teka.
Water first.
Madulas dito, oh.
I'll go first.
Oh, Daddy first. Sige
Oh,
na.
it's going narrowly.
There, to Dad.
So big.
Actually, it's not slippery here.
Yes, it is.
You wait. First.
I didn't
Wait,
think
where?
Army, sasabay ka na naman tapos iiyak ka.
iiyak.
Dali.
Go there.
It's harder than me.
Oh, wow. Ay, teka, Daddy
Mom
first,
first.
Daddy. Daddy first.
Be careful, Dad. So muddy. We're never going back ever again.
Come here. I'll pull you, huh?
3, 4.
Give me the bag.
It's already 3
Okay na.
hours.
Sige, Army.
Dad, first. You. I'm panicking. I'm panicking so much.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
it's not an adventure.
Whopper.
Oh, Army first. Army.
First.
Let's waffle. Wait.
Whoops.
Grass.
We're here.
Bakit gumawa ng isang bagay kahit matanda na ako?
Nagpapaalam ako sa nanay ko.
Ano naman?
Pupunta kayo dito sa Mudspring.
Arnie,
Oh,
say you're very happy. Come on.
tignan nyo yung sapatos.
Yes, Army.
So, magsuot kayo ng sapatos
Right.
na okay lang maputikan.
After
Oh, Army! Oh,
finishing the trail to
ayan.
Mudspring, and there's the souvenir. That will be our gift to Yaya, so she will wash it.